How many?
Hundreds. A whole island full.
I wouldn't worry about it. My men are hunting them down as we speak. They won't know where you're hiding, I promise you that.
Oh, yes, they will. They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup.
He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I, alone, control the dragons.
No,
Sorry.